Welcome back to another video. So today we are riding my scooter. So I will show you my wheelies. So normal one is easy, wait, little bit more speed. This is easy, but I don't know if anyone, I think, yeah, but I can really like put feet there and really do. It's harder, but not like hard. Wait, little bit speed. Like that. It's not hard, and I can really like this too. No, I can't. No, sorry, I cannot. But if you want like more videos like on my scooter or something like that, so follow. Like, I'm not asking like to force, but if you like my contact and videos, so you can follow me if you want. And in Estonia, where I live, I will not say where exactly where I live. There is coming ride out. I mean, I'm one of the hosters, and yeah, I will make video of that 100%, and yeah. If you are ready for the videos, if you are ready, I don't know what I wanted to say, but if you wanna give me like tips for YouTube videos, you can give me, because I'm not the best. And if you are asking, I'm filming this on a GoPro Hero 12. If you just listen to me. So yeah. Fuck. Oh, that was close. And I don't know, but I'm soon getting a wheelie bar, and better brakes. I will get the my front brake is completely broken. Very good brakes, very good brakes. I know, you don't need to say it. My back one only works. I don't know how the fuck did I mess that up. I don't know, it's not working anymore. I will block this because of the cops. You know, but everything in this video is made by professionals, and don't try it, bro. If you don't know how to do it, don't do it. Yeah, this all is AI, by the way. Very good AI videos now, right? So yeah, this is all by professional. I don't know how to talk anymore. But yeah, don't try it. If you know how to do it, try it. But yeah, and yeah, but I think like soon I will make like bigger videos, not like maybe like 5 minutes or 7. I will make like Tony. I don't know how to speak anymore. But no, I mean, I'm not from the USA and England or Australia. I mean, but I'm learning English right now. Oh my god. But I don't know. You can comment below. Are I doing good videos on the Get You Master? Get you Master, yeah, like that. This is super fun. This is so fun to really no, like this is so fun. If you wanna buy something like scooter, please buy the Get You Master. It's just so good. And you can like paint it everywhere. I paint it here, fucking everywhere. Oh fuck, my kickstand. Kickstand was up. Hey, down. sorry guys. No, front brakes, no. I cannot stop. No front brakes, bro. Crazy. No hands, but no. Okay. And yeah, I can do like this, but I'm not like that. I cannot do that right now, but I can do it, but not right now. I don't know why. I can try it. Fuck. No. Like, I'm not that good. And yeah, I will turn back now because I don't want to mess with the cops. And yeah. But you wanna give me like wheeling tips too? You can comment below. And oh my god. And I post every Friday, like but the ride out is in 2 weeks. 1 week, not this week, but next week. So the ride out video will come like in 3 weeks because I will post every Friday, and I think the ride out is in Saturday. I don't know. I'm not sure. Hey, I don't know what I'm talking about. I don't know how the fuck to talk. And if you think my editing clips are like, if you think I'm like editing this video like good or bad, comment below that too, because this is my first video and I don't know how to make videos yet. And do you know what mic should I buy for the GoPro Hero 12? Because I wanna buy, the sound is so bad that I think you don't hear me that well. And yeah. So yeah. Oh, the wheeling is so fun on this. And you can give it like the GoPro Hero 12 the settings, video settings can do give me, because I don't know how to make videos, like I said before, sorry bros, guys. And yeah, oh, I like this is so fun. This is so fun. This is so fun. Too fun. Too fun. Wait. I messed up. I don't care how long I wheel. I just care I have like fun, not like just like. But I don't know how long this video will be. But if you're watching this to end, thank you very much. And you can go watch my TikTok too. My TikTok is Stebi, 2 kilowatt Stebi, like here, 2 kilowatt Stebi 265. You can go watch me in TikTok too, because I make more videos there. But this is my first YouTube video too, and I don't know how to, like, what should I make? Like, wait, isn't this better? Wait, like, is this not better? Or no. Maybe this was before. And if you are asking why did I put the screen in the bag, I don't like the screen. At my point, like, the screen is kind of ugly, and yeah, I will have like 2,000 kilometers very soon. Yeah, but my brake, yeah. But this video will be out like in Wednesday, or I don't know. I'm not sure about when I post. No, this video will be my first, but I will start posting on Fridays. Because I want to. Yeah, and I can. But I don't know what to put my profile pic. So I don't know. Should I put my scooter or myself with my helmet? What do you guys think? Wait, I'm cooking right now. No. I was cooking. That was my mom. I don't know, he looks mad. I can jump. But I'm very happy. The school is ending very soon. Is that rain? But I have like 2 weeks to go. Next week is like no studying, I mean. The second week is only in the Monday is the end of the school. I don't know. They should make the next week Friday, not gonna lie. That would so be better. But they didn't want to do it. I don't know why. Sadly for me, 2 weeks is Sunday is still in the school morning. Fucking. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm very much swearing, but you don't hear the swearing. I will part of that. Ma ei tea, maybe like bird sound or something like that. But if you like this video, you can like subscribe. Like and subscribe. This video will be ended. But if you like it, just subscribe and like, because I like it to make videos now. I don't know why, but goodbye.